Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we'll talk about how to add a file to our Wixel document. Let's get started. On the Wixel editor, let's go to Add Elements. On this panel, we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and under Embeds, we're going to go to File. Click Upload Media. Then simply locate the file. Click on Upload from Computer, then simply look for the file that you wish to upload. Then click on Open. Once it's uploaded to your site files, click on it and click on Add to Page, and it will then be added here onto your document. If you ever want to adjust its size and alignment, you can do so on the action bar above. So there you have it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.